Today we got the first video from New York, which was very interesting and something very weird because it's too far from the Kharkiv direction, and to bomb New York with FAB-3000, first of all, the Russians need to redeploy their aircrafts somewhere in the vicinity of Donetsk or maybe Lugansk. So this is the first use of FAB-3000 in the area of responsibility of Group of Forces Center, and this video confirms that if the Russians start using FAB-3000 in this direction, that means that the Russians are planning to fight for New York and Donetsk during a summer military campaign, and they're very focused, and they are very serious in this direction, and they will try to finish the battle because now they're using everything they have, every type of caliber they have.